Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mariana Mobile here, bringing beauty to your screen. You already know the vibes. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Mariana Mobile. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja. So guys, today is makeup day. I haven't done makeup in a while. I haven't done like full-blown makeup in a while, and I have been putting this off for the longest. So we're gonna do something today. I saw a makeup look that VD. It was green. I like green color for eyeshadow for some weird reason because it's not something that people usually do. So, and I think I've done it once before in the past, so I'm gonna recreate it again. So let's just get right into this video. I really don't have a lot to talk about today. I just want to do makeup, so I don't think I'm really going to be talking through this video a lot, but obviously I'm going to be listing out the products that I'm using, so that's basically I do this and you're gonna hear me talk. So let's get right into the makeup proper. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna use this simple Soothing Facial Toner. I usually use this after I've cleaned my face with micellar water and I've had my bath, and then probably after using my cleanser as well. I just like to use this to like go over my face again, just to like take out the makeup that or the dirt that I couldn't get out while washing my face. For some weird reason, you think just because you had a bath, your face is clean and everything. It's not. I will never lie to you. It's not, because at the end of the day, why is your towel stinking? So yeah, I just like to go in with this, just like, you know, extra clean, basically. Then I'm gonna go in with my hydrating moisturizer. I like this moisturizer a lot because from Simple as well. I like Simple products. Why? Because they are very nice to my skin. I don't just know why. I won't even lie, I have a good skin. Like, I like to put it out there so everybody knows I have a good skin. I'm not the type that has pimple or acne or all of that all the time. No, I have a good skin. If I do have pimples, probably like once in a month, and you know what time it is. So basically, I'm gonna be using this hydrating moisturizer. It gives my face a very hydrating look. Let me put it like that. It makes my face brighter, like more like welcome back to life kind of feeling. That's how I feel whenever I apply this. So if I look down here, please bear with me. That's because I have a little mirror here. This, I'm gonna use this primer from Flawless Ivy. I've had this for a while now. If you've been following my makeup process, I've seen it a couple of times. For foundation, I'm gonna mix this too. This is Naked for Kiss Beauty, and this is Maybelline New York. Usually I use 334, but because of National Youth Service Cup, I came out a bit darker, so I'm gonna just mix, because this one is a bit darker than this. So I'm just gonna mix it a little bit, just to give me my perfect shade that I'm currently rocking. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. So I'm just going to tap this all out. I just like how that blends. Okay. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with MAC Studio. Just gonna use this. This is not lighter than me per se. I just like to use it to cover my dark circles a little bit before I go in with a lighter shade. So for the lighter shade, I'm using this from Zara. Put a little bit here just to brighten my eyes. Here. Okay, I like to let this sit a little bit because it's lightweight, so if I just apply and blend immediately, it doesn't really look so good. So now it has been sitting for a while, so let's blend it out. Let's blend it out. I like the full coverage this concealer gives. So for contour, I'm gonna use this classic. I'm gonna blend that out now with the other side of my sponge. I'm gonna start with my nose area. I just like to complete. Tap, 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 tap. And then on this place, I just like to press over it. For my powder, I'm using this for I'm using this for Black Opal. Brow gel. My eyeshadow, I'm using this from Julia Place. So I'm just gonna take this brown just for my outer crease. Just gonna work it in. Just to place it on it. Hey now, not too bad. I'm gonna use this second green. Yeah, I think I like the way this one looks on it. This one has a little bit of blue to it, then just with green. I really hope the noise is not a lot now because it's currently raining. So we're gonna do my eyeliner right now. This is black of the one that I use for my brows, Karat. Before I finally got this particular one, I went through Shege. Let me put it like that. I went through Shege trying to look for a good brow gel because there are some that you apply after a while, it just cleans out, or maybe if you just touch your brows like this, it goes out, especially for brow. But after I got this one, where was I glad that I got the right one? And I think I got both for less than 2k or 2.5, something like that. I can't really remember. Guys, I have my lashes on. We finally succeeded. I want to use this for my lip for some weird reason. I don't know why. I love the way it's looking already. Talking about my niece, I know. I get a rubber for you. She rubs off on all of us. My sister is the worst. Hi guys, this is the finished look. think I am quite happy with how it turned out. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Is it okay? It's different from my normal nude neutral makeup because that's what I'm so used to. But I like this one. I like the eyeshadow. It's not a lot. It's almost like the blue that I did. If you've not seen that blue, please check it out. It's almost like the blue that I did a while back. But I like how it's growing-ish. You get. It's not a lot. It's just simple, nice. Guys, tell me what you guys think. I love it personally. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope this to be helpful. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.